Hello and welcome back to my another video all the way from Orlando, Florida, here in Universal Studio. We just parked the car and great day today and excited to explore the Universal Studio.
Just went to the security check and it's basically I think 10 to 20 minutes walk from the parking. It's a lot.
Welcome to Universal Studios Adventureland once again. Let's dive into the heart of the action. As we step through the iconic entrance, get ready for a walking tour filled with thrills and adventures. Cat in the Hat. Let's explore the rides and start our day. This video will be mostly focused on the walking tour rather than explaining details, so feel free to browse my other video where I will be explaining the tips and tricks or things to do inside the Universal Studio.
Exploring various adventures in the Adventureland. We just did the fish ride, now going for a train ride. Woo.
Expect the unexpected. The island of adventure is filled with surprises that keep the excitement alive with every step. If you're planning to visit the Island of Adventure in Orlando, Florida and want some tips and tricks, I will be uploading another video soon. For now, enjoy the video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The crowds are lively and everyone's cheering. It's like we're all part of this big happy adventure family. Right now I'm just soaking in the atmosphere. The sights, the sounds, the adventures. It's the kind of fun that makes you feel alive. Look at that enchanted castle. Looks like this towering fortress is straight out of a fairy tale. Now, get ready to travel back in time as we venture into Jurassic Park. The adventure begins. It's a wild ride. Before moving on the ride, let's explore the park for a while. The rides in Jurassic Park seem to be a whole new level of excitement. Stepping into Toon Lagoon, the colors and cartoon vibes instantly transport me to a world where everything is vibrant. Here's the best part, the water-themed attractions. From hilarious water rides to interactive water play zones, Toon Lagoon is all about getting wet and having a blast. It is a haven for families. Everywhere you look, you'll find delightful experiences that bring smiles to faces of all ages. It's pure family-friendly joy. As our walking tour of Universal Studios Adventureland comes to an end, I hope you felt the excitement and thrill that make this place truly special. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic tours, and share the excitement with your fellow adventurers. Until next time, keep exploring.